Hey guys, NJ Pyro here. So I will be doing an unboxing of Big Mudder Trucker by Sky Bacon Fireworks. So this is something a little different here. I haven't done anything like this before. By quickly looking around, yep, my light's going off. Let me turn this light off. It doesn't seem like there's really much Sky Bacon in here. It seems mostly Supreme fireworks. So let's put this camera down right here like that. Let's get this open. Find out everything that's in here. Alright, so I see a lot of poppers, and I do poppers once in a while. This one is not labeled with anything, so I already have some generics. Champagne party popper. Let's see. Cobra black snakes. This is all generic stuff. Or at least I call this generic stuff. Snappers by Supreme. And I guess a little Donfaroni here. This is just some sort of popper. Doesn't even have a name. Some more generic stuff here. Ground bloom flowers, we're assuming. Yep. Alright. 3-inch happiness fountain by Supreme. Here. This doesn't even have a name. We know these are crackling balls. We assume they're some sort of crackling balls or something. The fuses are really short. Oh, more generic. Another champagne party popper. Some more of these generic crackling balls. Another champagne party popper. Just piling things here in no good order. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, guys. I'll try to face it where you can see what I'm doing. As much of these out as possible. Alright. Okay. So, what we got left here are 2 packs of these flash, strobe flash pots. We have color smoke balls. You know, the typical colors you get in all of them, the blue, green, yellow, purple, and 2 whites, no different. We have a Supreme tank. Tanks with report. Alright, come on, let's focus. No focusing. But that does say report, so it's cool. And last but not least, we do get a fountain, large golden flower by Supreme Fireworks. Alright, so that was Big Mudder Trucker by Sky Bacon Fireworks. I got this in Springfield, New Jersey, Backyard Heroes Fireworks. I believe this was like $20. You know, $20 here, you get this. You know, I mean, I love novelties, so I'm happy that I have novelties, and I got, you get one fountain. You know, I love tanks. $20 would have been better if this was like $14.99, $15.99. But you know, I don't have much Supreme fireworks stuff, so I wanted to get this just to get some more Supreme stuff. It's not something that you find a lot around my area here in New Jersey. So everyone, once again, Big Mudder Trucker, Sky Bacon Fireworks. Thanks for watching.